Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Look at that lovely sunset here in KAPPARIS. Posh KAPPARIS. We haven't been here for a while, have we guys? It's all been refurbished, all done up. We've got new cycle paths, new pavements. Oh, look at the plants now. Don't they look lovely? We're starting off here at the More Hotel Apartments, and we're going to have a little walk down because this evening we're going to have something to eat at Tony's, and that'll be a separate video. So there we are, it's Sunday evening. Look at these flowers and these trees. Haven't they done well? They look wonderful, don't they guys? Look at the flowers. Now let me show you these flowers. Don't mind the bikes. I've put these in my garden. They're so easy to grow. They really are. Very cheap to buy off the nursery. I think they were €7. They're only little now. But look how big these are. They haven't been here that long. So let's carry on down. See what else is going on here at Posh KAPPARIS. We've got refurbished restaurants, we've got new restaurants as well, and this whole area is open all year round, apart from a couple places. I think they're ice cream shops, which is a shame, isn't it guys? Oh, is that reopened? I'll have a look. That's a bar. It was a pub, wasn't it? I'm sure that's shut. Anyway, across the road is a brand new-ish coffee shop. I say ish because they're probably about 3 years old now. So brand new coffee shop across the road. I'm not going to go across the road and back again. There's not that many floating carpets. Oh, tell a lie, there's a floating carpet, but I want to go past this pub here. What do we do? Ooh, I'm in the kerfuffle now. I'm going to go across the road. I'm going across the road. It looks like there's lots going on. Oh, look at the pavement. Isn't it lovely? As I said, open all year round. Each and every road leading off down towards the sea has got a lovely beach, by the way. Beautiful beaches down here. So let's go over the floating carpet. See what else is going on. So all day concept. Oh, that sounds posh, doesn't it? Very trendy coffee shop. There we are, sitting in the front there in the street discussing business. So past the posh coffee shop onto Valeros restaurant. Look out for the video guys, we did go to Valeros restaurant. In fact, we came here with all the volunteers at Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary. Look out for the video. And look out for videos guys, we are putting out a fundraiser page for Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary. They've had to move, they're going to have to move somewhere else, so a bit of a crisis going on there. Look out for the video. Right, continuing on, this is Grand Slam. I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh, just slow beer, that sounds delish. Oh, I missed that pub, what a silly Billy. Let's go over here. Let's go and have a look. I've got to have a look, haven't I, guys? Oh, floating half here. Oh, sounds like a DJ over there. You get whiskey out of that? Whiskey? Oh, yeah, that sounds quite nice. Up the slope. What? Look, I'm sure this shut down, guys, and now it's reopened. Oh, it does look nice. Nice bar. It's called Twilight Bar. There it is, Twilight Bar. Hello. I wonder if that was there before and I missed it, or it was just closed for a little while. Anyway, it's Twilight Bar and it's open. It looks nice. Nice place to have a slow beer. Grand Slam favourite for locals. Oh, I think they're having a bit of a quiz there, you know. A musical quiz. Might be. That building on the corner's been refurbished. I don't know what's going to go on there. Might be another restaurant or something. There's always something going on down here, guys. Lots and lots of new restaurants, as I say. Bars. And refurbished restaurants and bars. And that's why it's become posh. There's a supermarket or convenient shop. Continue on. There's Mambo's across the road. Look out for videos. Been in there a few times. Look, something else going on here. Skip's full up and they're refurbishing this area here. Look, brand new shops going in. Not sure what that's going to be. Looks like they're taking the whole lot, haven't they? And it's all been rewired. Go and have a peek. Go and have a look, shall we? This looks like a bar, some sort of bar. And then we've got this area here. That looks like a bar. Oh, that's definitely a bar, isn't it, guys? Look. Suspended bar where you put your bits and pieces. And we've got shelves and stuff. Look, shelves over there with lots and lots of electrics. And look at this sort of upside down shelf. Yeah. Oh, I wonder what that's going to be. It's definitely going to be some sort of bar or restaurant, I think. Oh, we'll look out for that. See, there's loads going on. Everything's been updated down here. Everything's been taken up. It's got a nice reputation now, it's been posh. I wonder why. Anyway, they've done the road as well. Remember, it was all dug up and you had to walk round, but they've done a lovely job, haven't they? I can't believe these flowers, you know, in the bushes. I thought they were going to just die away, you know. They're not going to be looked after and they're going to be a bit rubbishy, but they're not, are they? They're really nice. Well done to the council. Done a marvellous job. I think it's a great place to come for the winter, out of season, to stay around here somewhere, maybe a villa or a house or an apartment you can rent. Got all these restaurants and bars, and then you can go into Paralimni. Of course, we've got all the bus stops here as well. Right, this is another new place. It's called Pinch. There it is. It was something else before, I can't remember now. Lebanese, I think, restaurant. Now it's been taken over and it's called Pinch, and it looks like they do lovely food. Smells delish. There we are. Latest trend in food, I think. Yeah, there we are. Different trends, the latest trend in food. Conveniently located benches out here. Oh, I do like them. That's a good idea, isn't it? Beautiful restaurant, don't you think? Look at that. Right, let's continue on. There's the Wine and More. There it is. They do all sorts of stuff in there. It's an off licence, but it's a posh off licence, of course. Shall I show you the chandelier inside? It's amazing. Look at the chandelier inside. That is nice, isn't it? Beautiful. There we are. And next door is my cookie dough. There it is. Hello. That's my cookie dough. And next door to that is another ice cream shop. €2 a scoop, triple delish. It's quite busy, isn't it? I'm not surprised. Lots and lots of flavours. Across the road is the refurbished fish restaurant, KAPPARIS. There it is. Very popular with the locals, especially on the Sunday lunch. Now, I did come past here at lunchtime, guys. I was on the way to the Dinghy Club, which is up there, and it was packed in there. Very, very popular. There we are. Always popular Sunday lunchtime with the locals. That's the Pig and Whistle. Look out for videos. One minute, got a set menu over there. Should we have a look? Garlic mushrooms. I can smell garlic from here. Should we go across? Let's go across. Wow! Sounds amazing. Oh, missed that flying carpet. Oh, no. Never mind. Silly Billy. Go across with that. So look what they've got. It smells delish. Garlic mushrooms, that's what I can smell. Chicken a la cream. Oh, that sounds posh, doesn't it, guys? Chicken a la cream, okay. Pecan pie, £21.90. Special offer. Beer tower, €35. Oh, okay. All right.
Thank you.
Right, let's continue across the road. Oh, it's a brand new coffee shop as well. Come on, we have to go across again. Be careful, yeah. It's busy, isn't it? All these cars. Now, it's Sunday night. A lot of people have got holiday houses from Nicosia or Limassol are off home. This is just Italian. There it is, all looking very busy, isn't it? Another posh restaurant. They are just Italian. I'm going to pass a new coffee shop. This one's called Coffee House. There we are. Coffee House. I think it's very new, guys, because they haven't filled up their plant troughs. Look. Continuing on, there is car hire places here as well. This is quite interesting. If you've got a celebration like a party, birthday, look, it's a celebration shop. You can pick up all your stuff, balloons, greeting cards, gifts and wrapping paper and more. And there's lots of these A-boards around. Not to be missed, guys. Stardust, look out for the video out there in Vesuvius. If you fancy this show, go on their website. There we are, there's the details. Get booked in, guys. If you haven't got transport out in Vesuvius, they will arrange transport for you. There's certain pickup places that you go to. Just let them know where you are, and they'll tell you the nearest pickup place, and the coach will come, take you there, and when it's all finished, they'll take you back. This is an amazing place as well. Delicious. Got too many letters, isn't it, guys? Should be delish. Anyway, it says fast food and it is triple delish, guys. Really good value for money. I've been in there 2 or 3 times. Let me show you. Look, this is the doner kebabs. They're €8 and €7. They have got burgers, sandwiches and snacks. And if you've noticed, the doner kebabs here are not like elsewhere, guys. They're not all running with fat. No, I wouldn't say they're healthy, but they're not running with fat. Nagasaki, that's it. I've got it. Hello, mate. I've said it right this time. Fine, nice to see you again. It's lovely chap, aren't you? What's your name for the video? I'm doing
George.
the video. Oh, you're George as well. I
Easy.
forgot. Oh, yes, nice to see you.
How are you?
You say the name.
Nagasaki.
There you go. Oh, you said it better than...
Nagasaki.
What does it mean?
Small shop.
Small shop?
Magazi, it's a big. Nagasaki, small.
Oh, so it's a big shop.
No, Nagasaki is a small.
Oh, but it's big.
Not really.
Oh, I think it's very big. It's
Everything
lovely.
in Greek, everything what is with K and I,
Yeah.
it's small.
Oh, I see.
Limani, it's a big port. Limanaki,
Right.
small port.
So Zaki means like small.
Small shop, yes.
Small shop. Well, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the evening.
Nice to see you. How are
Nice to see you again.
You're welcome.
Now, don't worry about booking a table there, guys. They have got an extension to the restaurant just here. There we are. So when it gets really busy, they extend it. In fact, lunchtime it was really busy here, so they did have this extension going. Here we are. Oh, look at this bit here. That's nice, isn't it? That's the floating carpet area. Ooh, that's clever, isn't it, really? Because we've got the bike track and it brakes. just in case, like a silly Billy, you go on and get run over by a bike. Very clever. Car rentals, and there's Vic's ticket shop. There we are. He sells all sorts of tickets, guys. So if you're not sure where to go, what to do, there's Vic's ticket shop down there. Just pop in, or you can get hold of him through his website and he'll book a ticket for you. Oh, get off the bike track. That's better. Another convenient shop. There we are. There are some villas, by the way, down here as well. Why do they call them villas, guys? Do you know? Because they're posh. That's what we're going to call villas. I do ask lots of people who have rented these lovely houses, why do you call it a villa? They said it because it's posh. Okay, that's acceptable, isn't it, guys? What about the houses we live in? Do you think they're posh? Do you think we should call our houses villas from now on? I think we should. Yeah, we should. Now, there's a brand new Asian restaurant. I say brand new, probably about 2 or 3 years old, down there. We're going in Tony's, as I said. So I'm going to finish the video here. I'm not going to go right to the end. I'll finish it here, guys, at Tony's, and then we'll do a separate video for our meal at Tony's. Further down is Best Value, guys, a massive supermarket. Some good deals down there. And also right at the roundabout, there's the bakery, massive bakery, selling lots of stuff. They've also got hot meals in the bakery. Good value for money, guys. An amazing bakery. Have a look at the video, Zulbas by the Sea. It's very, very similar bakery down there, a little bit bigger than Zulbas by the Sea. So there we are, KAPPARIS this evening. It looks lovely, doesn't it, guys? Amazing, beautiful roads. Oh, check out the Porsche. Look at that. Fancy cars as well. Oh, do look up the video for my little Toyota Roomie, by the way. So, where was I? Don't stop talking. I've got to stop talking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.